Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make wine with rice. Start by washing the rice until the water runs clear, then steam or cook it fully and allow it to cool to room temperature before adding koji or enzymes. Measure water precisely to target the desired sugar level, then pitch a reliable wine yeast and ferment at a steady temperature with gentle monitoring each day. Gather rice, koji or amylase enzymes, water, wine yeast, and any nutrient or priming sugar you plan to use. Measure ingredients carefully to balance fermentable sugars and final alcohol content. Use a yeast known for clean fermentation and consider nutrient additions if fermentation stalls. Keep all containers sanitized and plan for a slow, cool fermentation to build. After combining cooled rice with koji or enzymes, maintain a controlled temperature to let saccharification convert starches to sugars before pitching yeast. Once yeast is added, monitor fermentation by smell, temperature, and gravity readings to ensure active fermentation and avoid contamination. After primary fermentation subsides, rack off lees into a clean vessel for secondary aging and clarifying, tasting periodically until the wine reaches a balanced flavor and desired sweetness or dryness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.